I'm just setting up my system. I think this Optimum is having some trouble since last week, and now it has struggled a lot. I don't know. I will move on to some other network now. Possible Verizon. Even on my laptop, I'm struggling to connect to my office. Just setting up everything, and then I'll share my screen. All right, I'm back live. So let me share my screen. And again, I'm really sorry about this internet connectivity. Let me just give 2 more minutes so that people who are there can join, and then we can get started. In between, I'm just leaving the screen open so that you can see what we have done. I think we have a couple of people now. Okay. Yes, SPX level you can choose similar to ES levels. All right, so let's continue where we left last time. So we were going through the sheet. We were talking about Moderna. Let me just save this. Moderna on Friday did work out well, especially on the short side. And now it closed below this 12 AMA. I'm looking at a target of 405 to 4010 area, and I'll still be a short on Moderna with a stop loss of 432. So I'll be short and sell below 430, stop loss 432. Target I'm expecting is 405 as of now. If we break below 405, we can come back for higher targets. But this is a sell as of now. Tesla is now positive. We saw that once it crossed 765, how good it was. So Tesla has closed on weekly strength as well as on daily strength and broke out of this zone. Now, only thing I need is a dip so I can go long here. So I'll be a buyer in this and looking for a target of 845. So I'll be looking to enter around 770, stop loss 765. Confirmation will come out 780. So 780 can be a resistance, but it can be a good target as well. So buy above 770. Stop loss is now 760. Target 779, 800, and 845. And I'm more than 75% sure here. Target has been consolidating, and like all the other retail stocks, it has seen some consolidation. And from 261 to 240, it's kind of making a base. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it has supported this level and try to close above it. So I'll be looking to buy target for a very small target of 247 with a stop loss of 240 on target. I'm not positive as of now, but I'm just making it neutral. And I will be a buy above 240, 243.50, stop loss of 240, target of 246 as of now. That's about 16%. So it is a slow mover, but it is setting up. So we need to buy only when it goes up to 43. Palantir is positive. We have been trading Palantir for quite a while now, but Palantir, I missed the opportunity when it came down, and since then it's just going up. So this was the opportunity. It came and made the morning star, and from there it now is making an inside day. So I'll be a buyer in Palantir, and I'll be looking for a target of 31, and my stop loss is 28 on Palantir. I'm very bullish on Palantir. Looking for a target of 30.85. A 30.85, if it breaks, it can go really, really high. PayPal, I've not traded PayPal for a while, but PayPal is looking good. It had an inside day. A break above 280 can easily test 293. Last time it happened, but it failed, had a palish engulfing. This time, I think it is gaining strength with rest of the financial. So yes, above 280, it can fly. So PayPal again is positive, has inside day. Palantir also had an inside day on the green side. So buy above 28 to 80, and stop loss will be 278, and target will be 284 and 293. 284, 75 and 293. And all the levels which I'm suggesting here, if they cross and maintain this level on a 30-minute candle, only then you need to execute, or you can check your own plan. I usually take 30-minute candle as my benchmark. Sophie, I usually avoid these kind of companies, but Sophie finally closed above this 1735, which it has been struggling for a very long time, almost 2 months. So it's coming out of this phase. So now the next target is 19 and 20. So I'll be a buyer in Sophie with a stop loss of 17. I'm positive. Buy above 1760, stop loss 17, target 19 and 20. Wait, not 120, just 20. And I'm about 70% confident in this. Square, I was looking forward for Square to move big, but on Friday it had the China news that yes, they are kind of controlling the crypto. It tested the 12 EMA to the point and then bounced and managed to close near this 263 area. So I'll be a buyer if it crosses 264 for 273. I'll be only a buyer if it crosses 264. So Square, I am now neutral, but I need a move 264.40, and target is 274. Yes. Stop loss in this case will be 263. Last is Roku. Roku has been struggling, but it is not making new lows, and on the weekly candle as well, it's kind of showing some morning star. I will not call it a clean morning star, but yes, it's making a morning star on the weekly. So I'll be a buyer above 329 for a target of 355 in Roku, and stop loss is 317 where it has been struggling. I will still call it as non-neutral, but buy above 329. Stop loss is 318, 355. 355, and there's 344.85 target. And about 70%. So this is my list, which I wanted to discuss with all of you. Now, if you want to discuss, I can share the link of this meeting to you, and then you can come over to Zoom, and then we can discuss. I'm posting this on chat so that in between, let me just see your questions. Target, I discussed target just now. Long, when you say go long, what actually you traded? I had 755 calls for Tesla for that week, which I bought at around $2, sold at around 5. I also had 775 for next week and 800 for 1015. So these were the calls which I had for Tesla. And yes, I don't mind buying at a higher price. Only thing which I mind is I'm buying right. So that is the only thing. Yeah. So I am just posting the Zoom link here. If you want to connect, you can come over there and we can talk. It's there. Also, I'm putting this on Twitter so that anybody who wants to join, they can come over. And I'm stopping the sharing on YouTube. You can come and then we can have a coordination. Thank you for watching this live.